Hey there, this is Steve with healthinsuranceInMontana.net, and in this video I'd like to just kind of show you how you can get your own quote with Assurant Health here in Montana. So if you go up to your web browser and you type in http:// Steve Blanchard, which is my name, .mymedquote.com, and the link will be below this video in the description area or the information area below this YouTube video. But if you go there, I'm just going to show you how you can get your own quote here with Assurant Health. So it should be, steveblanchard.mymedquote.com, and so you'll see something like this on the website itself. And of course, we got some different options here. Primarily the main option, if you're looking for major medical health insurance, is going to be this one right here, major medical health or major medical insurance for individuals and families. So that's the one that you actually want to select. There are other options, like you can go with a short-term medical plan, and then we also have some options for some supplemental types of coverage. But for now, let me just walk you through how to get a quote with Assurant Health here online. It's pretty straightforward and simple, but sometimes by taking a look at things you can actually get a little bit better insight. So I'm going to punch in my zip code here, 59425, and we'll just leave that the same on male, and then we got to put in our date of birth, and it kind of automatically skips for the month, day, and year for you. Non-tobacco, currently insured, yes. Including spouse, no. Dependents, no. Well, let's go ahead and click View Plans. So what we got here is it pulls up the quotes for you, and so you can kind of take a look at that. But basically, each one of these are major medical plans. I would stick with the core med plan. They seem to come in the best rate and the most flexible, so you can actually adjust your plan to kind of what you want. So for example, I'm going to take a look at this one right here, $5,000 deductible. The co-insurance is the amount the insurance company pays after your deductible, so 50% in this case. 100% for preventative. And then of course we can view all the plan benefits, which is kind of a good idea. So it kind of gives you a synopsis then of what your plan is about, how much it would be, and then of course it features all the stuff right here. So it shows your deductible, your co-insurance, your max out of pocket, total out of pocket, and then of course coverage for everyday needs goes through this. You can look at the coverage for hospitalization and surgery, okay, other coverage and benefits, and then what's not covered. So it's kind of nice that Assurant actually upfront tells you exactly what's not covered. So that's kind of a nice detailed way to kind of show you. And then if you like this, you can actually select it, and then it will go to the next page. And so you can apply for it right away online. Matter of fact, even if you call me, I have to actually kind of punch it in online anyways. So it's kind of nice. You can do it on your own time. And if you just take a look, it kind of gives you an overview. And then you can actually customize your plan. So like you can actually add different things. So this is kind of nice. So you can add, a basic, an intermediate, or plus. And if you want to know what it like covers, like what is it about, you can click on the details, and it'll actually go through all the details of what it would be what it would be covering. You can get benefits for just accidents, so you can get up to $5,000 per accident, or you can make that $10,000. And so for $53 more per month, I can have an extra $10,000 cash coverage for any kind of accidents that I incur. and per accident. So like if I have more than one accident a year, I can claim up to $10,000 and that can wipe out my deductible. So that's kind of a nice option to have. And then of course you can also take a look at life insurance and critical illness benefits. So and then if you want to know more about that, you just want to click on the benefits link right here. So anyways, if you want to get started, or you can apply now, or you can choose a new plan right here, or you can save your quote and come back. So if you go to apply now, I'll just show you what that looks like. Okay, it's going to be very simple. You just go through some medical questions and you continue through this process. They will require a payment, and it doesn't come out unless your plan is approved as is. If there's any changes to your health insurance plan, like such as premium change, or they're going to put on some kind of rider, or limit you somehow, if they make any changes whatsoever, basically what they're going to do is they're going to contact me and I will contact you, and then we talk about those changes, and then if you accept those, then you will accept it at the new premium rate if it changes, and you'll accept it with all the terms and conditions of the changes that they make. So once you do that, then they will actually draft your account. Now let's say you went through the application and there was no problems, everything went through perfectly, and they accepted you right away as is. Then right away that this would come into effect, the $99.01 a month, and so they would draft that first month right away, along with a $20 application fee. So you got to kind of factor that in for that first month. There's a $20 application fee. So basically it will come out of your account right away. So once you're approved, it will come out of your account. So I just want to make sure that you know that up front, because some people get kind of tripped up with that. But once you answer these medical questions, it'll take you right through the application. You can put in your payment information, and then you can submit your application, and then I will contact you right away once I know that it's approved or if there's any changes. So, and then you can save it along the way. So like let's say you start and you get interrupted, you can actually save it, which is kind of a nice option. So if you get stuck or you need help, this is me. This is my number right here, so you can email me or call me right here. And I've been doing this since 2006. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video. And again, the link is right below in the information section of this YouTube video. So just click the link and you can get started to get your Montana health insurance quote. All right, thanks a lot and have a great day.